helped me build this tote rack system for my client. Here we're making the bottom and the top pieces that the rack is going to sit on. As far as the top, I put some OSB sheathing on top. That way it's more functional. You can store items up there. Here are the front to back pieces. There are the rails that the tote will slide on. Now I'm just going to be building these middle rails. Here's a little mock-up that I did in my garage, and here I am installing it. This went perfectly smooth. Everything fit perfect. Use spacer blocks on all of my sections. Getting that top piece in. And we're going to put some diagonal braces on the back. This took me less than 30 minutes.